Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's video, you are going to see how on Instagram live streaming, how you can do that. So let's head over to our Instagram application first. Once you're there, make sure that you have logged in into your desired account. So how you can confirm that, just head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon on the lower right corner. And here you can just see if you have logged in into the account you want to go live on. Then just tap on the plus icon on the bottom middle corner. And here you will find several options like post, story, reel. So what you need to do is just to tap on live. And once you slide to live, you will see several options here. And in here, what you need to do is just to, if you want to add any sort of filter, you can try it on. You can also scheduleize your live by tapping this schedule icon. You can just give it a start time and select the audience, like if you want it to be public or the followers you want. And you can also give a video title, and there's also option to add a video title in here. And once you add a title, just make sure to tap on add a title, otherwise it won't be saved. And all you need to do is just to tap on this live icon right here, and then you will go live. So yeah, this is how easy it is. Hope this video will help you out. If you found this video helpful, just make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And if there was any sort of problem you faced, make sure to comment down below and we will reach out.